How's it going, guys? My name is Tavarish, and today is going to be a quick update of my Lambo back there. Now, I do apologize for any noise. I am having my roof worked on, so you're probably going to hear some knocks and bangs and all that stuff. But right now, I'm waiting on my friend Matt Mormon from Obsessed Garage because we're going to be cleaning this car. We're going to be polishing it, making sure all the paint work is 100% because I'm putting a ceramic coat on this car. Now, you're going to be seeing that in an upcoming video. But since Obsessed Garage is coming to my house, yeah, my garage doesn't look obsessed. It looks pretty messy, so... Alright, that looks a little bit better, I think. I mean, I've gotten all my stuff, all my junk in one pile. And look, there's people here. So we have Andrew from the podcast, Andrew Howell. You guys know him. And also, Mr. Obsessed Garage himself, Mr. Matt Mormon. He is just the MVP today because he is going to be helping me do the Lambo. Well, give it a little bit of a shiny shine here. And he's already inspecting it. So Matt is known for his ultimate detailing stuff. And it's really not necessary here because we are going to be doing this stuff on a budget. Now, I know the car is expensive, but this is going to be a budget clean. And then I'm going to be doing a ceramic coat with this guy right here. This is Armor Shield 9 by Avalon King. This is going to be really interesting stuff. So I'd like Matt to give me sort of a score on what I have on the Lambo and also what we're going to be using to clean it with. Now, he's been looking around the Lambo and I want him to tell me what we need to do.
Yeah, the paint actually doesn't look too terrible. Obviously, you just painted it. Right?
Yeah.
And so what?
I hope it doesn't look too terrible.
Well, a lot of times body shops can really hack up the paint. You know, they can do a poor job, or they get a little crazy with a rotary polisher. But this looks pretty good. So I think what we need to do is clean it up first, right? And then we're going to assess: do we need to polish it?
Yeah.
And then we'll need to make sure we wipe all the polish off.
Yeah.
And we'll probably use this product here, which is alcohol-based. This is CarPro Eraser.
Cool.
You can also use isopropyl alcohol, and then we'll coat it.
Cool. All right, sounds good. So I want to show you my cabinet full of stuff here, and a lot of you haven't seen. You can come over here, Matt. I want you to take a look at this. So recently, well, not recently, a few years ago actually, I bought out a detailer, professional detailer, and I think I paid him like $200, and I got all of his stuff. So this is all years and years old, but is there anything that we can actually use in here? I mean,
well, we're gonna find out because your garage obviously gets hot, so we have some separation, and chemicals don't last forever.
Oh, wait, you're telling me that this has an expiration date?
Generally, yeah. We might be able to shake it up, but the question is whether
it's fine. It's fine.
Whether it's separated enough and won't work again. But some of this stuff is probably good. I mean, this is a detailing standard here, M100. And you got some really old. I've never even seen those Menzerna bottles. That's way before my time.
This is a Menzerna classic.
Yeah, that is old school.
So we have a lot of pads here. I don't know how clean or whatever they are. There should be a bunch of new ones in there. But we have pads. We have buffing stuff. We have pad rejuvenator that can clean pads, and I think that's it. Plus we have wheel cleaner, but this is not going to be like a 50-step detailing. This is just going to be a kind of quick and dirty, pardon the pun, detail.
You're going to have to teach me on this one because I only know how to do 13, 14, 20, 30 hours of detail.
I'm going to have to teach him on this one. Yeah, that's going to make sense.
I think that's going to have to go.
Okay, cool. So that is going to be coming up tomorrow because we are going to be spending all day cleaning this car and you will see everything in detail. I just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up on what the car is doing in my garage, when I'm going to finish it. I'm putting together all the rear end in the next few days. I'm going to be putting on the rear panel, the back bumper. That's going to look really cool. And then that Superleggera carbon fiber wing. That's going to look awesome. So I have a big day in front of me. As you can probably hear, the people outside are putting on my new roof. So yeah, that's them. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Hope you guys check it out tomorrow. And I'll see you guys next time.